myself, and I am at the Universal Orlando Resort for the grand opening of the Fast and Furious Supercharged ride. Travel yourself. So the ride has already been open for a few weeks. I'm here for a media event, however, and tonight is the grand opening. Are these special named drinks?
They're liquid nitrogen.
Oh, nice.
Would you like one?
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This drink is called NOS, like nitrous oxygen. Makes your car go fast. I think I would much rather a Corona. It's what Dom would choose. Fun fact, Corona is often featured in the films, but was never once a paid sponsor. Much better.
Shift into high gear with the hottest dance crew on the streets. Jordan Brewster, who plays Vin Toretto.
Woo!
Chris Ludacris Bridges, also known as Tej Parker. And Tyrese Gibson, you know him as Roman Pierce. Oh, and our final guest tomorrow ran into a little trouble, but he'll be here soon. So, sorry. What? Who's driving? They're where? Look! It's Vin Diesel! Please give it up for Vin Diesel, also known as Dominic Toretto.
Hey everyone! Welcome to the Fast and Furious ride! Are you all excited to see this? Are you excited to be the first in the world to experience this? With the Fast and the Furious family here? Who's ready to see this ride?
Okay, so I think it's pretty clear that we're very excited to get in here. And Vin is very excited. Are you guys excited out there? Alright, so what we have to do next is actually unlock it. So do you have the key?
I don't have a key.
You guys have the key?
We could.
Who's got the key out there? Anyone? I'm just kidding. We've got this fence and this lock wired to this detonator. So Vin, if you would, press the button on the detonator at the end of our countdown, we would be honored. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's count it down from 5, ladies and gentlemen. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was pretty awesome and quite the show. I am now off to ride the ride for the first time. I can film some of the inside part, but not the ride. So let's see what I can show you from inside.
everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother won another car first collection. Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him. Me either. Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. True. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family. And the faces you see on these walls are our family.
They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Shaw? That cockroach we beat down in Spain? What's he got to do with this?
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way.
In the gift shop for the ride, you can also meet Vin Diesel and get your photo taken with him. The ride was pretty cool. We were all on a party bus, but then of course something goes wrong and there was a bad guy after us, and there were car chases and accidents and Vin Diesel hanging off of a helicopter. It was pretty cool. I definitely recommend you check it out when you come visit the Universal Orlando Resort.